not gonna lie, Amy Coombes, I'm coming for your job. Also, I've just filmed this whole video and noticed I had a pencil sticking out on my hair, so there's that. Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. So for today's video, I am basically going to be recreating some of the makeup looks that people I follow on Instagram have done. That is either going to be a social influencer, a YouTuber, or an actual makeup artist. And if you've seen some of my other makeup videos that I've done on the channel, they never go that well, do they? Let's be honest. I feel like I have a breakdown every 5 seconds. And the end result is okay, but they were quite basic looks, you know. The looks I'm doing today, yeah, there's something. Just quickly breaking into this video to say that I did originally plan to film 5 different looks within this one video, but I only ended up doing one because it took quite a long time to film. I will probably end up doing the other 4 videos separately instead of having one mammoth long video. And plus I didn't want to wipe my makeup off straight away, you know. I wanted to go out with people to see what I looked like. So yeah, I will be doing the other 4 looks throughout time this year. And I'm quite boring when it comes to eyeshadow, you know. I like to keep to my neutral tones, have a little bit of pink in there, a little bit of orange. That's as far as I go. I haven't got any yellow or blue or green or any other colour that isn't like in the nude category, you know what I mean? So we're sticking to quite basic looks. I've got something in my eye, it's really hurting. So for the first person I'm going to be doing, I quite like the makeup of Amy Coombes. She looks amazing. She's got a lot of highlighter on her nose and it's quite shimmery in the corner of her eyes. Nice big lashes, contoured face, which I can't do contour. That's also going to be very fun. We all know what it means when this comes out. It's the makeup bag of dreams. I haven't got a lot of space either because I haven't actually got a makeup desk in my house. I sit on the floor and do my makeup. I couldn't do that for this video. Or could I have done this for this video? No. So she's got pink, so I'm just going to get all of the makeup palettes I have which have pink. There isn't a lot. So I'm just going to start with my foundation and then I'm going to add some concealer to the parts where I think she's concealed. I could be completely wrong. Do you know what? She actually might have done a makeup tutorial to this on her channel. If she has, would be a lot easier. Right, she's done a yellow one. I'm not a fan of yellow. Blue again, don't have blue shades. Everyday makeup look. Oh, pink. Oh, is that the one? She's got it on her YouTube channel. Her eyebrows are so nice. How has she got her eyebrows so nice? So where does she start with her eyeshadow first? I have to put my foundation on my hand though, so. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly do my face makeup and then stick to what she's got because I don't want to go wrong, because I do this quite a lot, don't I, in tutorials. I feel like I know what I'm doing and I just go off on my own, you know, I wing it. And then I shouldn't wing it because it doesn't go right. Right, so she puts concealer all over her eyelid.
Oh, like a lot of that pigment there. And now I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and I'm going to take the shade.
We're going to stop there because already I'm very intimidated. She zoomed in really close, so maybe I should just do the same. You might not want to see my face close up. Oh, honey, that's so much better. Why did I not do that at the start? I'm going to pack it on her eye as she said she does. You can't really see what I'm doing. No, okay. We're off to a good start, aren't we? She like packed it on. I don't know if she went up here, but I'm going up here. So that step I think I have accomplished. But then I'm seeing what she's doing next and it's already scaring me. She packs it on a lot. What's a compact brush? We're going with this. Oh god, that's so bright, okay. She does it like, oh god, I'm so scared. Right, she goes around her eye. Oh my god. Do you know what? There's no going back, is there now? Trust the process. I'm just going to do both eyes at the same time because no my luck, I'll do one really nice and then I'll forget everything I've just done for the second eye. So this is what we're working with. Very, very pink. Okay, so she's buffing it out. I'm gonna use a blusher. Is that allowed? Probably not. It's probably not the way of the makeup bar, but you know what? It's the only pinky colour I have that's similar to what she's said. And you know what? It's a powder. Why can't bronzers and blushes be used as an eyeshadow? Tell me. If you're a makeup artist, tell me why it's not allowed. I'm breaking the rules. She blends it, so like. Right, and then she takes off a lot of the lid. Someone's having a barbecue. And it's raining like a lot. I don't understand. Right, okay. So like the whole of the actual eyelid where you can feel your eyeball, that is now like off, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, we have this. And you know what, so far it's not actually looking that dissimilar to hers. I might need to go over the pink just a little bit, a little bit more. It's got like more, it's more defined here. It's more like pigmented. That's the professional word I'm looking for. It's more pigmented around her eyeball. Like a Barbie. I'm living for it. A little bit of a blending.
And I'm kind of just winging it as I go along.
That's me too, babe.
We're just gonna hope it goes cute.
Me too. We have the next step. I don't think it's gonna look the same as hers, but we try. So, like that. She looks alright. Oh, wow, is that how high it should be up? Okay. What's clean as that? She's got a really nice clean line. I ain't got that. Why? Why do I not have a clean line? Do you know what? It's gonna have to do. Do you know, I'm loving all these little makeup videos I'm doing at the moment. I really enjoy filming them. Am I a beauty guru? Definitely not. Oh, mine doesn't look like hers again, but we're just gonna keep going, keep flowing with it and see what happens. Huh? A triangle? What does she need? So I tried the triangles, but I don't really like them. Ow. Right. This is where I get lost when things start going more rapid than I can handle, and then I get very confused. So she takes pink and then she like goes over it again. This doesn't look right. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. I don't want to come out of this video looking like I've got pink eye, so I'm really hoping it starts to come together soon.
Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. Hold up. Wait a minute. Stop.
Oh no, I've lost the brush. On to the next bit, honey. So I feel like I didn't add enough concealer when she was doing that on her eyelid, because mine not cute, and hers is cute, so a little bit of contouring. Right, she does like two little dots, like she does two on her forehead and then two on her. She does like 1, 2, and then keep on doing it. 1, 2. I feel like I've done my dots a bit too big. Concealer time. Right, my concealer is a very different shade to my skin, I've realised. Oh, she does a lot of concealer. Am I meant to do that much concealer? Why is her so nice? We are going to try this then, shall we? I'm dropping everything. Just a little bit on her forehead. Just a little tiny bit on her chin, like the tiniest bit. Oh, that looks so much better. Things, I'm filming this video literally like 6 o'clock at night and I'm not going anywhere. I've got nowhere to go. I might go do my weekly shop at Aldi. So you know when I said earlier that I might actually go to my local shops to do my food shop for the week because I didn't want my makeup to go to waste? Well, I've come to Aldi. I'm not gonna lie, I feel a bit overdressed because it's Saturday night, but it's also lockdown, so no one's going anywhere. I have nowhere to wear this makeup to, apart from my local shops. How sad is that? I used to be getting ready for a Saturday night to go for a night out in the town with some cocktails, but no, I'm getting ready to go to Aldi. How tragic. I need someone to come analyse my face and be like, honey, I've got you. This is what you're doing wrong. This is how you fix it. And I'll be very, very grateful if you are that person. Peace out. Oh, she was, oh gosh, she's gone under the pink. I'm good, like I've just come out of a fight with like 50 shrimp.
Well, say hello to my little friends.
Oh no. I had such high hopes for this video. And then see what this looks like. I'm literally losing all my brushes. She was under her eye now, so this is gonna be interesting, isn't it? Okay, not too bad. Oh, I feel like a bit of a vampire Halloween vibe coming on. Interesting. And her waterline. Oh, that looks very uncomfortable. Right, on her waterline, just on her waterline, the whole thing? Surely not. Dabs it. Dab, dab, dab. Time for the concealer on the waterline. How does she do this? Oh, I don't like it. Oh, I really don't like it. Oh wow. Ow. Oh my god, is it meant to burn? Or sting? Okay. Ow. Okay, so I've done the concealer on the waterline. Might be blinding myself because it's really stinging and burning. But you know what? Beauty is pain. bronzer. She does a bit of bronzer. I can do bronzer. I've got that. Do I want to highlight? Oh wow, it's happened now, isn't it? I said, do I want it? Stick my finger right in it, put it on my face. Do you know what? When you gotta commit, you gotta commit. Do you know what I mean? I'm gonna do my brows and eyelashes off of camera because that's what she done. Although her brows look nice anyway, but yeah, I'm gonna just quickly put some lashes on and do my brows. So guys, this is the finished look. What do you all think? I am a little bit obsessed, I'm not gonna lie. I also added, what's this called? Liquid eyeliner. And I did add some shimmer on the top. Just because I like shimmer, being honest. My lips, I literally just did them in brown eyeshadow and then put some Vaseline over the top of them because I'm a basic. I'm not gonna lie, Amy Coombes, I'm coming for your job. Also, I've just filmed this whole video and noticed I had a pencil sticking out on my hair, so there's that. So yeah, that was the finished look. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making this video. It actually went really well. I would say this is pretty successful in the makeup videos I've ever done. They have gone very bad, I've had breakdowns, but you know what, her tutorial, really nice and easy to follow. Love the makeup look. Never gone for a bold pink eye, but after looking at myself, I'm like, oh, yes, honey, might do that more often because I'm feeling the pink. I'm sorry, I'm like holding my brush like it's a bloody one, like, you know, bibbidi bobbidi boop. I look fantastic. But yeah, I am obsessed. So I will leave the link to Amy's video. Why am I so close to the camera? So I will leave a link to Amy's video down below in the description box. Do make sure to check out her Instagram because she's got so many more different amazing looks on there and she's just an incredible makeup artiste. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below and follow all of my socials, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye! I'm sorry, but can we just take a second? Look at like the highlight. I'm obsessed.